Aaliyah, what are you eating?
Chocolate.
Is chocolate your favorite?
Uh-huh.
Oh my gosh.
I want to eat more chocolate. Can I have some more chocolate? Try to see.
You really like chocolate?
Yeah.
You're a chocolate girl?
Mm-hmm.
Are you?
Yeah.
Is chocolate your favorite?
Yes! Woo-hoo. Give me some more chocolate.
What you must say, Aaliyah?
Please.
What do you say when you want something?
Please, Grandma.
Pardon?
Grandma, please.
How come you get all so dirty?
I want some more chocolate.
You don't say you want. What should you say?
Please, can I get some more chocolate?
No, you have to say it right.
Please, can I get some more chocolate,
Please
Grandma?
who?
Please, Grandma, can I get some more chocolate?
I can't hear you.
Please, Grandma, can I get some more chocolate?